Come work at Yaskawa and be part of a team that appreciates you, supports you, makes your workday enjoyable, and gives you every opportunity to learn, grow, and succeed. We are the leading global manufacturer of variable frequency drives, servo systems, machine controllers, and industrial robots. And we always have a place for the right candidate like you in positions including a variety of engineering roles, assembly, warehouse, supply chain and shared services, and sales, just to name a few. Working at Yaskawa is just different, and we guarantee you'll notice.
We work together as a team.
From onboarding throughout your career, you'll be part of a team that cares, communicates, and connects to a bigger purpose.
There are so many opportunities to grow here.
If you work towards your dreams, you can achieve them with us.
This is a great place for an internship.
We offer undergraduate engineering students the chance to experience unique insights into what engineers do in the world of automation.
My day goes by fast.
Really fast.
There are lots of interesting challenges, people to work with, and new skills to learn.
Safety is built into everything that we do.
We have the protocols, equipment, and processes in place to ensure it.
I get to do different things during the day.
We give our associates a variety of tasks to keep each day fresh and challenging.
We make creativity come alive.
Engineering to marketing to sales and the plant floor, there are plenty of opportunities to apply your imagination to difficult challenges.
There's cool stuff to do, especially making sure our products work in any condition.
Our lab technicians get to push our product to the max. There are also opportunities to design, build, and market those products, as well as support our customers.
What I do is important.
You can make a difference here for the company, your team, our customers, and yourself. We have a shared passion for what we do.
I'm proud of the work I do.
You'll understand how our products make the world a better place, from industrial automation to renewable energy.
Yaskawa takes the time to teach me, not just train me. They teach me the why behind each task.
We proudly offer plenty of learning opportunities through on-the-job training, professional development, and tuition reimbursement.
My benefits started day one.
Associates are offered great benefit options their first day on the job.
We even get pet insurance.
Our plants are bright, clean, and comfortable.
We've invested heavily in superior lighting, temperature control, and sound technology in our factories to ensure the most comfortable working conditions possible.
We have great energy here.
We've created a positive, supportive environment where wins are celebrated together. We treat people right. It's just what we do.
Yaskawa America is a great company. We have a fantastic work environment. We have lots of opportunities to expand your skills, do different roles, and Yaskawa's had a long history of success, and you can be part of that success also.
Want to be part of a great company and a fantastic work environment? Expand your skills? Come to Yaskawa and enjoy your workday.